Hi there. You'll be wondering why am I dressed like that? All looking fancy and important and all. If I'm being honest, I just got back from work. Who am I? My name is Idan Terry. I'm 26 years old. I'm a gamer. And I live with my parents. And I'm broke. So why am I recording this, you might ask me. If you're here, you're probably just the same as me. I'm a complete beginner copywriter. So what does that mean? That means that I am freshly new copywriting. I'm still learning. I unfortunately don't have a client yet. I'm still working on that. I'm not ready though. I feel like I still need to work on my writing samples like other copywriters who are professionalists suggested to do on their YouTube channel. Seems like copywriting really changed their life for the better. Managed to make a lot of money, and that is something that I'm interested in as well, but I have no idea how to do it. This video is basically meant to document my journey on every update that I have, in case I'll get my first client, if it's making my first $2,000 per month, which I hope I will be able to get by the end of this month. This is currently July 1st as the time I'm recording this video. Also for the whole community of people who are really new, completely fresh beginners who just started learning, and they might be scared of a few reasons and they don't know where to begin. So this video is also for you guys. You can see my journal from the very beginning to the point when I have clients, I'm making good money, and if I was able to do that, so can you. So please do actually let me know what do you think about it. And of course, feel free to subscribe to this channel, leave a like, push that bell to get any updates on my journey and see how it goes. I'm excited. I don't know about you. If you are a copywriter and you'd like to give any tips on newcomers like me or like other people on this video who are currently watching this, feel free to do so in the comment section. And if this video or this channel will grow being a little bit more popular than right now, it's a fresh and new channel. If you are familiar with Discord, which I'm pretty sure you are, there's no reason why you're not, I might create a new server for mainly beginners to sit and discuss about their fear, get encouraged by those who manage to get their first client, and if they want to share their experience with their clients.